The original Z1 has been the basis of all Kawasaki's four-cylinder sports bikes since 1973. Now, the GPZ900R has been launched. See for yourself all the developments that have been incorporated in its design.
It has been over a decade since the legendary Kawasaki Z1 was born, and now Kawasaki introduces the successor to the most famous street bike in motorcycle history. In the early stages of development, the first question on everyone's mind was how to create a machine that would outperform the incredible line of high-performance Kawasaki four-stroke street bikes, a legacy that includes the Z1, Z1R, GPZ900, GPZ1100, and 750 Turbo. A tall order, but Kawasaki's engineers were up to the task. In 1978, they recognized that nothing less than a totally redesigned machine would be enough. From that point on, every part of a motorcycle came under intense scrutiny, from brakes to bodywork, and soon ideas began to come out on the drawing boards. These ideas quickly took shape in prototype models. Finally, the engineers knew they were on their way to creating the quickest, fastest, best-handling Kawasaki street bike ever. But it wasn't as simple as it sounds. Choosing an engine that would showcase superbike engineering evolution was a tough job. Kawasaki knew the future lay in lightweight machines with heavyweight power. They had to create a machine that would outperform 1,000cc bikes, yet still offer all the benefits of a 750. The final choice, an all-new 908cc power plant. The best of both worlds. Innovative, compact, and super powerful, this engine is the perfect foundation for the ultimate Kawasaki street bike. Cylinder configuration was the first hurdle. Kawasaki thoroughly tested a V4, V6, and inline 6, then decided on the world's first inline 4 superbike engine with liquid cooling dual overhead cams and 4 valves per cylinder. Then the engineers revolutionized the image of the inline 4. Liquid cooling, a cam chain outside the cylinder bank, and a specially mounted alternator create a light, compact engine only 451 millimeters wide, 20% less than the smallest 1000cc inline 4. The result, maximum ground clearance. A close look at the 900R's power plant reveals exactly why it represents a revolutionary new concept in engine design. Increasing the breathing efficiency of each cylinder, the 16 valves add incredible low and mid-range torque to the record-setting top-end horsepower. And each valve is actuated by solid lifters for race-ready performance all the way to the 10,500 RPM red line. High-speed tests verified the engine's potential with a top speed of 246 kilometers per hour. Improvements to every part of the engine allowed Kawasaki engineers to make the 900R more efficient than any previous four-stroke. A very narrow included valve angle of 34.9 degrees resulted in a highly compact combustion chamber. To confirm that they had come up with the optimum results, the 900R with a compression ratio of 11:1 and a power output over 120 horsepower per liter was taken to the strip for testing. Time after time, the 900R was run through the standing quarter mile. Further refinements were made until the 900R was at its best. Finally, repeated quarter-mile runs in the 10s were achieved. A record-setting performance from a stock 908cc power plant. What do all of the innovative engine developments mean? They mean all the race-proven advantages of an inline 4 in a super compact, lightweight package. With the engine laid out piece by piece, the advantages soon become obvious. Easy maintenance and servicing are ensured with this well-thought-out engine. Put it all together, and reliable high performance is the result. A close look at the GPZ900R allows you to truly appreciate its clean flowing lines. Notice the slim design, smaller in every dimension than the original Z1. Aesthetic styling and maximum performance are embodied in this dynamic new generation machine. A look beneath the finished exterior reveals even more. In Kawasaki's revolutionary new diamond frame, a high-tension steel backbone and aluminum rear section combine to make a strong, light frame which uses the counterbalanced engine as an integral frame member. Eliminating the down tubes cut weight and allowed our engineers to position the engine closer to the ground for a much lower overall center of gravity. The breakthroughs continue with the all-new Fort, equipped with AVDS, the automatic variable damping system. A first on any superbike, this truly progressive suspension automatically adjusts compression damping to provide unprecedented performance. At the rear is Kawasaki's championship-winning Unitrack suspension, featuring air-adjustable preload and adjustable damping. The box section aluminum swing arm with eccentric cam drive chain adjusters is another exclusive Kawasaki feature. At the front of the 900R, Kawasaki's new 16-inch front wheel, decreasing gyroscopic effect for quicker response. This wheel also helps reduce frontal area for improved aerodynamics and outstanding high-speed performance. Stopping power. All 3 disc brakes feature a new drill pattern for improved heat dissipation. Combined with AVDS and 3-way adjustable anti-dive, the 900R's braking systems ensure state-of-the-art response. The 900R was built to go at superbike speed, and that's where aerodynamic design plays its part. To minimize drag and high-speed wind buffeting, the engineers put the 900R and the rider in the wind tunnel and set about designing the ultimate bodywork. The end result is significantly reduced frontal area and a drag coefficient equivalent to that of a GP racing machine. A magnificent combination of good looks and no-compromise aerodynamic design. With the 900R, Kawasaki has created the finest street bike in its history. This all-new machine breaks totally new ground in motorcycle engineering and styling and takes a new level of high performance to the streets. Discover the all-new generation of Kawasaki performance. Discover the GPZ900R.